What's going on, guys? We are back for chapter number 6. For those that may not know, and if you haven't already, make sure you go grab a copy of my new book, The Great Care Crisis. You can find it on Amazon, but we're going to jump right into chapter number 6. If you missed the previous chapters, they should be somewhere on social media or on our YouTube channel, and we are putting together a little mini-series where I read to you a chapter of the book. Eventually we'll have an Audible and you can go on there and read the whole thing or listen to the whole thing. But in the meantime, this is a workaround. So chapter number 6, the cost of doing nothing. Tallahassee, Florida, 2:42 p.m. Elaine Brooks sat at the end of a long mahogany conference table, silently circling a sentence in the latest aging services proposal with her red pen. Recommend increased allocation to long-term care facilities to reduce strain on hospitals. She circled it twice, then underlined it, then wrote in the margin, what about keeping people out of facilities? The room around her was filled with half-listening staffers and sharply dressed lobbyists. Most were focused on the next budget cycle, not the next decade. Elaine adjusted her glasses and looked out the window of the Capitol building. Somewhere out there, a daughter was trying to work while caring for her mother with dementia. Somewhere, a nurse was clocking 12-hour shifts and wondering why nothing ever changed. She knew these stories. She'd read the letters, she had taken the calls, met with the families and advocates and researchers. And still, she sat through meetings like this where the same ineffective solutions were recycled like plastic grocery bags. Across the table, a man in a tailored suit was presenting a new program, public-private partnerships to expand skilled nursing capacity, more beds, more funding, more of the same stuff. When he finished, Elaine cleared her throat. Respectfully, she said, what if the solution isn't more beds? Heads turned. What if the problem isn't that we don't have enough facilities, but we're funneling people into them who don't belong there in the first place? A pause. I recently toured a center in Sarasota, she continued, an adult day center full of people laughing, dancing, eating meals together. Half of them have Alzheimer's, the other half just need support. They go home to their families at night. It's half the cost of institutional care and no one's talking about it. A lobbyist 2 seats down raised an eyebrow. Adult day? No offense, Senator, but those aren't scalable. Elaine's jaw tightened. They're already scalable. We just don't fund them. They're underutilized because nobody refers to them, because hospitals don't even know they exist, because the system only rewards crisis, not prevention. The room was quiet now. This isn't a money problem, she said. It's a priorities problem. Another staffer spoke up. The hospital association's going to fight this. So will the Nursing Home Coalition. They've got influence. Elaine leaned forward. Then it's time for someone to fight back. Let's go, Elaine. Gosh, I love it. Elaine's she's fighting for us, guys. Now my question is, who is our Elaine up there in Capitol Hill? Who's fighting for us, right? Because no one's going to fight for us unless we fight for ourselves. So whether you're in adult day, whether you believe in adult day, whether you're in the senior care industry, at the end of the day, we have to all create a movement that's so loud, that's so apparently true that people on Capitol Hill are willing to listen. People like Elaine are willing to go to bat for us.